Hello friends, today we'll study about the chemical reactions of alcohol and phenols. So let us start our topic. So first we'll see that how the alcohols react as nucleophiles. Basically alcohol and phenols can react as alcohol nucleophiles as well as electrophiles. So first we'll see the as nucleophiles. So when alcohol and phenol react as nucleophile, then what happened that OH bond of alcohol or phenol is broken down. See how. This is a alcohol molecule and here it is reacting as a nucleophile. Means it is donating its electrons to the electrophile, and here electrophile we are taking as carbocation. So this is donating its oxygen is having lone pair of electrons, so it is donating its electrons to the carbocation. So what is happening here, oxygen is getting positive charge. Now this hydrogen atom which is attached to oxygen atom, it will takes the give the electrons back to oxygen atom and leave as H plus ion. So basically this is our product. So ultimately what is happening here, that H is leaving, that is hydrogen atom is leaving and OH bond is broken down. So this is what happen when alcohol or phenol act as nucleophile. Next is when alcohol or phenol act as electrophile. Electrophile, it means that it will accept electrons because it will have a deficiency of electrons. So first we are taking the acid. Acid will react with alcohol and this product will be formed. So this is an alcohol molecule RCH2OH. It is accepting the proton of acid and it is forming RCH2OH2, and there is a positive charge on oxygen atom. Now this molecule can be written as this RCH2OH2 positive. Here what is happening is this is acting as electrophile because it is electron deficient. Now this will accept electrons from the electron rich species, that is Br negative or bromide, and this structure will form. This Br negative will attack on this carbon atom, and this OH2 positive will leave by accepting electrons, and this OH2 will form water molecule, and the structure of the product will be this. CH2 is attached to bromine and argon. So here what is happening is the carbon oxygen bond of alcohol is broken down. So what is the difference between alcohol reacting as nucleophile and alcohol reacting as electrophile is that in the first case the oxygen hydrogen bond is broken, but in the second case carbon oxygen bond is broken. Now next we will study one example of this oxygen hydrogen bond breakage. So let us see next. So now we are studying the alcohol reaction or phenol reaction with metal, and in this case we will see the breakage of oxygen and hydrogen bond. So let us see. The first reaction is with alcohol and sodium metal. So here what is happening, the OH bond is broken down and we will get the sodium alkoxide. This product is known as sodium alkoxide, RONA. So here the oxygen hydrogen bond is broken down, and instead of hydrogen atom, sodium is getting attached to oxygen atom and leaving behind the hydrogen molecule. Similarly, if you place phenol instead of alcohol and react with sodium atom, then also the OH bond will break down and sodium will get attached to oxygen atom. So here you will get sodium phenoxide as your product, and H2 molecule will leave as a byproduct. So this was the case of OH atom is when it is broken down. Now next, if you place, instead of sodium, if you place a base like NaOH, then what happens is, instead of sodium, you are placing sodium hydroxide. Now this is a base. So what will happen is, your product will be same, sodium phenoxide, and OH bond is still broken and sodium is getting attached to oxygen atom, and this is formed sodium phenoxide, and H2O molecule is formed as byproduct. So this can be depicted as a general reaction, like this is sodium hydroxide, this is base, and alcohol or phenol is acting as acid because it is accepting electrons from the base, okay, and it is forming a conjugate acid. The base is abstracting the protons, so it is forming a conjugate acid. Base is abstracting protons, so OH bond is also breaking down here, and when the OH bond is broken down, so we are getting a conjugate base from the alcohol and phenol. So here the alcohol or phenol is acting as acid, so that's why this can be said that it is showing the acidity of alcohol or phenol. So here the alcohol or phenol are acting as acid, and here the OH bond is also broken down. So this was the first case. In the next lecture we will study when the carbon and oxygen bond is broken down, the reactions which involves carbon oxygen breakage. So I hope you got this topic. Thank you.